Hey everybody, it's Alex from James Gang Fishing, and we have a big announcement. Our vending machine has been moved to the back 40, so go check out the back 40. And the back 40 is on 64 and 4D by Bloomer, Wisconsin. We have 24/7 vending, and we do take credit cards. We have bait of worms, leeches, night crawlers, and we have tackle and bobbers. And don't worry, if you forgot some boat oil, bug spray, or some sunscreen, we have some in our vending machine, so if there's ever an emergency, we'll have something in there probably. And if you ever go into Potato Lake, Island Lake, Long Lake, or Chippewa Forest, it's on the way. Thanks for following us, and go check out the back 40. They have excellent hot chocolates and drinks and food.